Start.
Okay, today we have with us a G-Shock metal square branded watch. It's an unboxing of the same. Let's quickly get to look at how the box looks. You have the G-Shock branding here, some numbers, then it says G-Shock or other Casio digital black. Then there is some barcodes, price and stuff. And now let's open the box. Okay, in the box there's some cardboard here. Let's quickly pull it off. This is the box, G-Shock branded. It's got a shock resistance, says since 1983. Okay, so let's keep this aside. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, some cardboard side. It's a booklet, quick manual. Okay, I don't think that should be required. It's an international warranty card from G-Shock. Okay, let's quickly open this and check what we have in this. Okay, it's G-Shock international warranty. Then talks about it's a warranty card. Okay, then again a quick manual. Okay, let's keep this inside and let's now quickly check what's in the box. Okay, it's a metal box. Okay, this again protective cover. You have a G-Shock 2 years warranty, which can be extended by 6 months by registering on to register at the rate or rather register.casio.in. It's been already stamped by the retailer whom I purchased it from. Again, a process of how you can register yourself on the Casio website. Now let's see what else is in the box. Okay, again a price tag. I don't think it would vary as whenever you plan to buy it, so I would rather not get into that. Let's see how the watch looks. Okay, again it's GM. The model is GM5600B. I think the GM stands for G-Shock Metal 5600B. It's probably the vintage style G-Shock. Most of the people like a vintage G-Shock. So let's quickly open it. Okay, some plastic. Okay. Yeah. Right. Then. Yeah. Right. So this is the G-Shock metal square dial. Okay, let's quickly pull out the wrap around the dial so we can get a perfect view of it. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a metal dial. It's all metal. You have metal below. It's got a nice glossy gun metal or rather black metal look. Okay, the dial is perfectly placed. You have time with seconds, months and a date mentioned on the as a default. It has 4 buttons. 4 buttons. One talks about it has mode button here, which would probably be you will be able to kind of adjust the alarm and stopwatch. Then you have start stop button, adjust button and light button. So let's see how the light glows. Okay, I think it's a blue illumination that it has got. The build is superb. It's a rubber strap that is there. Nice hinges. Yeah, it has also got a pin remove. It has got a way in which you can actually pull out the strap. This actually is being made by Casio so that you can actually pull this strap off and put some different strap. They have accessories. they have opened their accessories section and you can change the strap, which is pretty cool. It has got a number, it's got a serial number here. It says shock resistant. Okay, made in Thailand. Okay, perfect. I think, yeah, so this is how the watch looks. I'll quickly set it aside. Quickly, yeah, this is how it is. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.